Yep. So I'm out with a pal, just a couple of miles south of Croydon, and he's taking me on a little route that's got loads of unpaved roads. We've missed a lot of it because I've just turned all the cameras on and that. Oh, well, apparently that road was closed. The other end, when we came in, I wasn't on camera then, it was the sign was sort of put out of the way as though it was not a closed road. So maybe someone's just thought sod it and moved it because they love that road, which is understandable. It's a lovely little unpaved road that goes through quite a few miles. So this is also my first test of having the drift ghost X right there looking at me. And then I've got the GoPro facing forward on my chin. That was a tight little turn, wasn't it? So I've recorded this route on the old TomTom there. Not sure what the audio is going to come out like. I've bought myself a Tascam DR-10L, which is a Lavalier mic. I begrudge. So I've got a GoPro Hero 8 Black, but I really begrudge paying 50 quid for the 3.5 adapter just to plug a Lavalier mic into the GoPro for 50 quid. Jesus Christ, that's ridiculous. I was using the Ghost X, but now I've moved that to there. I thought I'd try the Tascam, which is a little audio recorder. All it does is record audio, and it's got some quite neat features. What it's got is the functionality to record 2 levels simultaneously. So at the moment I've got it in medium low level because when I tested it initially just in my bedroom with a crash helmet on, it was just peaking out. So I'll turn the level right down. But what it does, you can set it to record a backup track simultaneously with the main track that is 6 decibels lower. So if you get a problem with your audio where you've got some peaks in the main file, then you can revert to the backup track that is completely in sync, and you can salvage your audio. So I'm going to be really interested to see what that comes out like. taking me on some great little country roads. Another Steve this is. Used to work with him at the college probably must be about four years now since he left the college. So his dream bike was the old Motor Guzzi V7, and he was a bit unlucky with it. He bought one. I can't remember whether it was brand new or not. He bought one, but there was an issue, and apparently it's a known issue with the V7. With the clutch cable would sort of stretch a lot, and it sort of, you know, that was his dream bike, and it sort of ruined it for him actually, because he had quite a few problems with it. Yeah, it was a nice looking bike. Steve's a bit old school. He says he likes the bike to look like a motorbike, like old school motorbikes. So he's not into these bikes that have got all plastic all over them. So I've got a Honda DeVille. When I showed him the Honda DeVille, he said that looks like a bloody jet ski. And then the MT-09 that I've got, he quite likes that, because that is sort of like a naked bike, but it has got a lot of plastic on it. Yeah, I think he likes a bike to look like a bike, is how he says it. So we may get a little bit of rain today. I don't know if you can see there, you've got the quite a bit of grey cloud about. But I think we're sort of driving away from it at the moment, which is handy. Temperature's dropped a bit today. And yesterday, well, the last couple of days actually. We had some serious thunderstorms last night, which was quite nice actually. I like the sound of a thunderstorm as long as you're indoors and you're in the dry. Okay. Are we doing a U-E? Are we going round? Yeah, a little detour there. Steve has got a sat-nav, but he, again, being old school, he likes to sort of know the routes in his head. I couldn't do it. I think with all this technology, I think my brain is a little bit frazzled. I can remember a time probably sort of back in the 80s when you know, mobile phones weren't as good as they do. I could probably reel off 20, maybe 25 telephone numbers of friends, family and pals and that. Now the only number I know, and I do mean the only number I know, is my own. Everything else is just open your phone up, look for the name, press the button. I do not know a single person's number off by heart. Not even my own son or daughter. Don't know their numbers. Maybe with a brain it's the old use it or lose it scenario. Yeah, I'm well impressed with this route it's taken me. I'm so glad I'm recording it. This is awesome. I could ride all day long on roads like this, I tell you. Nothing better. This and green lanes, that's my new bag. One of the things about this Honda 250 Rally is it's not great on the motorway. It'll sit at 65, 70 quite comfortably, but it doesn't give you a lot of room or a lot of power for overtakes. There's a little bit left in the it when you're sitting at 65, 70, but you really have got to pick your moments. You've got to be so careful, because if you get caught out or you do an overtake and someone decides to speed up a little bit, you've got to bail out of it. Simple as that, basically. You haven't got the top end power to be able to get yourself out of trouble. So all nationals. Go on Steve, give it some on that 250. Woohoo! Should have done that a bit faster. Might have got some air for the first time on the 250 Rally. I'll remember that one. What's the name of this road? Heber Road. Yeah, what an awesome little journey you've taken me on, Steve. Thanks for that, mate. Appreciate that.